the standard 8 student. Now today we are going to start this human resource lesson 6 chapter. Here human resource means whatever the human beings existed, people are existed in this world, about that we are going to read here. So I am reading. Let's see what is written here in the book. Do you know? The first topic is, do you know? The way we collect information about the whole class, similarly we can collect information about the entire population, and it is done at regular intervals. Let's discuss about it. Telling in a class, as the teacher, he or she may be having all type of detail related to the student, like that our population or citizen, about government is keeping all type of record in counting everything, and in regular interval means in term after 10 years they are counting the population of our country and estimated about it, whether the growth is too high or too low or medium, like that. What are the situation of the people? Because if the population will be more, then the problems will be more. That's why they had started to do like that. Now next topic, what is census? Why is it carried out? Collection and cataloging of information about people living in a country or any particular region of the country is known as the census. It is done every 10 years under the regulation of central government. 10 years word underline here, telling ki collection means whatever the peoples are there in a particular area, and cataloging means categorizingly estimated them, means how many male are there, female are there, kids are there, old persons are there, like that they were doing counting after each 10 years. Now the last census in our country, census means calculation of the population. The last census in our country was carried out in the year 2011. Underline, it was done for the 7th time after the independence, means independence के बाद ये 7th time था जो 2011 में calculation हुआ. In the census of 2011, there was a provision of providing a unique ID number and an identity card to the every citizen. Means before that nothing was there. You know now you are having your own Aadhaar card. Before that, PAN card was released in the country. We can say every person, those who are above the 18 years should keep their having PAN card, like that was there. So about that, that is the one type of ID card ki that people is, you are a Indian citizen. For that card was issued by the government. It was the special feature of the census 2011. It is our duty to provide correct information to the government, so the government can know everything, every detail about his or her citizen. Who are they, what type of work they are, what are the earning they are doing, everything, whether they are citizen of our country or they came from foreign country and existed here, not going back, everything. Human. Now next, human resource is the human capital of our country. What is telling? Human beings, whatever the people is there, that is the main source of our development of our country, because so many things are there lying here and there, natural things are there, man god gifted things were there, but if the human being is not there, so how these things will be meaningful? Nothing will be there. If human beings are not there, they will not use their thinking power, brain, and through that only they are developing various things every time. So human being is the main resource of the development of everything, we can say. The development of a nation depends on its human capital. It is the wealth of a nation, means all the human beings is the one type of property of a country. Development of a country depends not only on the area of the country or its natural resources, but it is also based upon the quality and quantity of human resources that contribute a lot to the economic development. What is telling? How many, whatever the human beings are there, not only human beings, if they are they are having nice quality, good quality, and they are that good quality human beings quantities are more, then that country, that area will be developed more economically. The health, education, professional skills, and the ambition increase the productivity of the nation, and as a result the country develop. Means health, if the people will think, then health, education, these things will be increased every time. Now next, this is done in order to take necessary measures. Census is mandatory. Mandatory means jaruri hai. Census is mandatory in order to plan out country's 5 years development plan in regard to food, water, housing facility, industry, electricity, employment, education, and conservation. Nowadays, Forest Department keeps a record of endangered animals, birds, and plants also. Even domestic animals are counted. So what is telling why the census they are taking, so they can estimate it how many peoples are existed in the country, and what type of development, in which manner they will start all the development facility our people can get. That's why people can get food, water, house at least, and other facility also, employment, education, and these things also. The government is so the government can do the plan properly, so the human beings can get all the facility to develop himself or herself. Not only this, these days governments are taking care of the animals also, birds and plants also. So because those creature also having the rights to live in this world properly, so the government also taking care of the birds also, birds also, plants also, animals also. If the plants, animals are died in more, then they are, those peoples were punishable also, some people, if they catch by the government. Birds, why the birds are these days also in the news also, but so many foreign birds, which one is coming in winter season from foreign to India, that one is died in big quantity, it was showing in the news. So they just started researching why it is going on, so they came to know they are having flu, birds flu, that one is spreading and it causes death. So like that, the government is doing various type of calculation of human beings, animal, plants, that is called census. So they can do their development task or plan whatever properly. So this one is the first topic. Okay. So here I am ending. Next video I will send the next one.